Hey guys, welcome back to another review. Today we're going to be unboxing the Scrub Daddy Damp Duster. This is a magical dust cleaning sponge and it's supposed to be used for dusting and it's very easy to use. You just add some water for it to be damp and you just start dusting away. You'll see here in the video, but it's super easy. This sweeps your blinds, bookshelves, lamps, furniture, and everything else that gathers dust. Like anything with a rigid design that just traps and holds dust. Compressible for dusting tight spaces, you'll see here in the video. And it, as I said, it rinses clean under running water, which is so easy. So you just pre-moisten the sponge and it's ready to use. And as you can see, it's super easy to use. And you just re-moisten before next use. So this will last a very long time. You just literally need to add water and just sweep the surface. And here you can see how much dust was accumulated in this table. And here I just went ahead and dusted the rest of the table. This is where I have my TV. And that's all the dust it had. It's not easy to see with the bare eye. But once I started using this sponge, I noticed that there's a lot of places that I don't notice that there's dust in. So this product really helped me to remove all the dust. And it literally took me no time at all, which was super convenient as well. And I just love that you don't need any other cleaning product. It's just literally water, which is so convenient, and you're not using any kind of other product. You can see how those dust started accumulating in the sponge. I was so surprised. I'll show you in a bit. But overall, super easy to use. I was just so impressed. Here you can see all the dust. It's just crazy. And here I'm just using the sponge to clean the top of my TV, which is usually a spot that is hard to clean. Or you just sometimes don't remember to clean it. Maybe with a little towel or whatever. And here I'm cleaning this edge of my window. So you can see all the dust that's clogged in the sponge. I was just mind blown. It's such an amazing product, and it's also super easy to clean. So overall, I will rate this product a 10 out of 10. I feel like it's totally worth it. It works great. It's super efficient, and I just absolutely loved it. I highly recommend it.